Hello dear students. In this video, we will discuss Chapter 12 of EVS, the Himalayan Range. Children, in this chapter, we will learn about the great mountains of the north, the parallel ranges of the Himalayan mountains, and the importance of the Great Himalayas. Himalaya. It is a Sanskrit word. Him means snow, Ale means house or the place where we live. So, Himalayas means the abode of snow. The Himalayan range passes through Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, India, Nepal, and Bhutan. In our country, the Himalayas stretch in a long curve from Jammu and Kashmir in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. The east west extent is about 2,400 kilometers in the west to about 200 kilometers in the east. Children, you can see this blue color shows the Himalayan mountains in our country. In this image, you can see the light green portion shows western part of Himalaya, the sky blue color shows central Himalaya, and the light brown color shows eastern Himalaya. So you can see the great Himalayan range in this image. The Himalayas can be divided into three parallel mountain ranges. First, the Himadri, also known as Great Himalayas. Second one, Himachal, the middle or the lesser Himalayas. Third, the Shivalik, the lower Himalayas. Now, children, let's discuss about the Himadri range. The Himadri is the northernmost range. It is the highest range in the Himalayas with an average height of over 6,000 meters. The mountains here are always covered in snow. Huge masses of ice called glaciers are found here. These glaciers move down the mountain slopes and reach warmer places where they melt and form rivers. The Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra all starts from the Himadri. Some of the highest mountain peaks such as the Mount Kanchenjunga, Mount Annapurna, and the highest, that is Mount Everest, is found in the Himalayan range. Children, here you can see Mount Kanchenjunga, Mount Annapurna, and the Mount Everest. In 1953, Sir Edmund Hillary and Sherpa Tenzing Norgay were the first to climb the Mount Everest. On 23rd May 1984, Bachendri Pal became the first Indian woman to reach the world's highest peak, that is the Mount Everest. Now, children, let's talk about the Himachal range. The Himachal or the Middle Himalayas are lower and are famous for beautiful valleys like the valleys of Kashmir, Kullu, and Kangra. Beautiful hill stations like Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, and Almora are located in this region. This range has thick forest consisting of pine, oak, deodar, and fir trees. The climate here is suitable for cultivation. The lower slopes of this range have orchards of apples, pomegranates, and several other fruits. Children, Kotgarh is a place in Himachal Pradesh which is known as Apple Bowl of India. In the east of this range, we find tea plantations. Now, children, let's talk about the Shivalik range. The Shivalik forms the southernmost and the lowest range of the Himalayas. Children, in this picture, you can see that the Shivalik is the southernmost range of the Himalayas. It is made up of hills rather than mountains. The slopes are covered with thick forest and a variety of wildlife is found here. Much of the land in this range is used for growing crops, and the slopes of these hills are used for terrace farming. Terrace farming is a form of farming done by building a series of steps in the slopes of hills for growing crops. The region to the south of the Shivalik range is called Terai. Children, you can see in this picture the dark green colored portion shows Terai. It is a flat marshy area where crops such as rice, wheat, and sugarcane are cultivated. Now, children, let's discuss the importance of the Himalayas. The Himalayas act as a natural boundary and always protect India from foreign invasions. The snow covered peaks of Himalayas fill our rivers with water throughout the year. They prevent the cold biting winds coming from northern Asia from entering India. The forests of Himalayan range provide us with wood, medicine, fruits and lots of other useful things. Many animals such as the snow leopard, tiger, rhinoceros and wild yak are found here. Now, let's talk about the climate in the Himalayan range. There is permanent ice and snow at the high elevations, and the climate there is very cold. The climate at the base of the mountains is tropical, which means high temperature throughout the year. During winter, the snowfall is very heavy with snowstorms and blizzards. With this, children, we have discussed chapter 12. Hope this video will be useful for you all. Thank you for watching.